Bor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Jing herthma ka bakendit kansan jangki le no Pakistan ha Pahalgam bad minta Sngi ke de Sngi ba kani ke jingja ka dap Shisnem thing kumban chupen kan ma ba ha ka jing sha herthma ha Pahalgam ka wei na ki jaka jingokai ba itanat ha Jammu and Kashmir ki babun na pedang ki arpun reungat ki bayam ki dei ki nong jingokai perthai ki bawan na Kyllon ki benta jongkari India ki le no ki ba herthma ha ka tai ke Sngi ki dei ki le no Lashkar e Taiba ki ban Pakistan tang katu kat ni Sngi hadin ki sipai jong ke India lingba ka operation sindur kila kharwet da ka Tyngeh ha ki ketem le no pa per ha Pakistan pat palat hispa ngut ki le no Pakistan bakan thopru ya ki he sipai jong ka Pakistan kila Kyllon yam ha kani ka Sngi ba ka dap Shisnem menteri rang badu kari Narendra Modi ula Maham Tyngeh ba nang ni Shahmat lada don kanu ka jing pentri ya ke India ki sipai jong kari kin om aili satya andai kin kharwet khampalat ban ya ka bakila le lingba ka operation sindur Modi ula pha ka jing ngolam shiki ba yang sam jongki arpun reungan ki bara du no ya ki ba et ba thon jongki ki ba la sha penyap dusman hakile no.
We have ensured that no construction will be allowed, and hence even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot e kasnong nang ikwayo sngo bahan na kasnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hina snong e ki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ru ki don hi convey bet ya ki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ya ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala ban wan kane kawai ka project bi ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha kajalla kadon kata kendon ka ba 90% of non managerial posts kan let shaki locals 50% managerial posts ru kan let shaki local other than that ka shulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Namar ba ka ka ba phi amnot ngiru hang ni Shuaban take up yung ganun project. Hindi ban shoot ho bakla. Habang yung warra yaki investment. Habang yung warra yaki bakum kinigi project. Nget yung nga opi kabakaduk yung mantoy. Kanlong yung ngiki konsama.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.